So I'm trying to practice my Japanese language. So 今日は1月27日火曜日です。So what I've said was today is January 27th and today is Tuesday. Yeah, thank you. Hello, konnichiwa, or hi, hello, konbanwa, good evening. So, eto, nandake. So, I am here. I am trying to make a video for you guys. So, for those who are trying to make aral of Japanese language, make sabay with me. So, like today, when we say today in Japanese, kyo, kyo. Okay, and then tomorrow, ashita, or ashita, something like that. Kino, that was yesterday, kino. So, kyo, today. Tomorrow, ashita, kino, yesterday. So, pagsasabihin nyo, kyo wa. So, yung wa, yan yung particle na ginagamit sa mga topic marker. Wow, topic marker. Basta sa pinag-uusapan, sa kyo wa itsugatsu. So, itsugatsu, it's January. So, hanggang dun muna. Bye. So guys, like what I'm trying to say, samahan nyo ako mag-aral ng Nihongo. So, para parehas tayo natututo. Natututo ako, natututo din kayo. Kung matututo kayo. Kasi ako, hindi pa natututo. So, once again, we had kyo, which is today. And ashita, tomorrow. And kino, yesterday. Okay? We have 3 words for today. Okay, let's repeat. Kyo. Louder, please. Today. Kino. Good job. Yesterday. Ashita. Great. Tomorrow. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe, share, and manahimik. Mag-comment kayo pag gusto nyo pa. Tara na, sabayan nyo ako. Sakay na. Pantanga. Bilis-bilis mo dyan. Kasi mamumundok tayo sa linggo.
Hindi dito.
Uy, bawal yan.
Punta sa puti.
Puti naman yan na
Ha? Puti to? Ha? Puti yan?
Bastos ka. Bastos ka. Ganyan ka sa akin. Nakabidyo ka. Ipapatulpo kita.